Did you know that more than $2 billion in claims each year involve slip and falls, with a significant portion being questioned for validity? As a business owner, protecting yourself from fraudulent claims and ensuring accurate incident documentation is crucial. Imagine a world where every slip and fall incident is effortlessly documented and readily accessible. Say goodbye to paperwork headaches and hello to streamlined operations. $2 billion in claims each year involving slip and falls. According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, 6,471 of these are questionable. Today, we're introducing a game-changing solution: digitizing your compliance documents. Whether you're in the restaurant industry, retail sector, or managing a manufacturing facility, digital compliance offers a seamless way to maintain precise records and meet regulatory standards. No more drowning in paperwork or scrambling to find crucial documents. With digital compliance, everything is neatly organized and instantly searchable. But where do you start? Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 ways to digitize your compliance reporting. 1. Centralized document storage. Instead of filing cabinets and scattered folders, store all compliance documents digitally. This ensures documents are secure, organized, and accessible from anywhere. 2. Automated incident reporting. Implement digital forms for incident reporting. Employees can quickly document incidents on tablets or smartphones, attaching photos or videos as evidence. This streamlines the reporting process and ensures details are captured accurately in real time. 3. Real-time updates and notifications. Set up alerts and notifications for compliance updates and deadlines. Digital systems can notify managers about upcoming inspections, policy changes, or required training sessions. Stay proactive and avoid last-minute rushes. 4. Enhanced accessibility and audit trails. Easily retrieve compliance records during audits or investigations. Digital systems maintain detailed audit trails, showing who accessed which documents and when. This transparency enhances accountability and compliance. 5. Integration with training and protocols. Link digital compliance systems with employee training programs and safety protocols. Ensure all staff members are trained on updated procedures and track their progress digitally. This integration fosters a culture of safety and compliance across your organization. Digitizing compliance isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your business from liabilities and ensuring a safer environment for everyone. Digitize your compliance documents and safeguard your business's future. Because when it comes to protecting yourself from claims, every document counts.